Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to teach you how to use authentication and authorization in Blazor. So here we have a authenticated user like hello super@gmail.com, and just I want to log out. Everything is okay. Just I want to register login again. That is super@gmail.com, and that is okay. So here we go. So again, just logged in, and in the account, this is the super@gmail.com. You know, so how to use this authentication and token based authentication, and I used actually identity as well as your JWT authentication. Okay, so so before going to much more detail about the authentication, just I want to share my membership program. It's much more beneficial for you. Here also include a Blazor, that is .NET Blazor. I will provide you a complete video tutorial on .NET Core. It's a project based tutorial, not a simple video tutorial. I will complete Angular video tutorial, React video tutorial, and complete source code also. Okay, or you can say it's a project based tutorial, structured based tutorial I will provide you, and not a beginner. It's all about beginner, intermediate, and advanced level video tutorial. I will complete architectural level projects and modular monolithic based project. I will complete microservices based project. So I will share you in just only 800 rupees. That all these things are included in only 800 rupees for the Indian user, and $15 for other country user. If you want to get this membership, just fill this form. Just fill this form and get the membership. You know, that form link will available in your video description box, so must to check it out. Your name, your email ID, your contact number, it's optional. Transaction reference ID, order ID, or PayPal ID. Just pay using UPI for the Indian user. That is for Indian user 800 rupees. And if you are belong from other country user, so just pay using this one. That is narenkumar851@gmail.com. It's my PayPal ID, or you can use this QR code also. So let's go. Now, first to set up your identity in your server project, you need to set up identity in your server project. So the first thing is to add a identity in your application DB context file. So here we have a application DB context file, and here we go for the identity DB context. Okay, after done this, must to configure your identity or register your identity service in your program.cs file. So add it here. That is your identity. That is builder.services.add identity user, identity role. Add default token provider, and add entity framework store. That is application DB context. That is the model first approach of your entity framework code. And just after that, must to validate your token parameters by using this, and also use an authentication features here. So builder.services.add authentication, and what scheme I want to use it here, that is JWT bearer default dot authentication scheme. And you can use this types of handler like add JWT bearer options and validate the token validation parameter. The first parameter is validate audience. I mean to say that false. If you have some audience list, just use true instead of false, and put your audience list. Okay, with the help of valid audience. Validate issuer is also false. So I have also a issuer to generate an API tokens. So there is no need to add a valid issuer. Okay, validate issuer sign-in key is must to true. Valid lifetime is also true. Issuer sign-in key, that is symmetric security key. And here we have a builder.configuration jwt.key, and key must to contain 16 characters. Okay, so now after that we need to generate a token. So we use a service, that is IUtil. Okay, So here we have a utility service. So utility service, and in the utility service we have a token. Okay, so that type of token we want to generate. Add a claims, and in the claim we have a name and email, and get identity user with the help of find by email sync. Claims DB, and just get all claims which is related to users. So user manager dot get claims async, that is associated with the identity user. So claims dot add range, I mean to say that these claims actually add that claims DB. Okay, a user claims. Okay, now hashed key is sign in credential key, that is key, and security algorithms is ASP.NET SSF 256. By using the token descriptor and the JWT security token, generate a token and write the token with the help of security JWT security token handler write to token, and convert a token into the string. Write to token method actually convert the token into string. Also we have expiration time, the token expiration time. Okay, that's cool. Now after generating your token, you need to add this token in your Blazor. Okay, so send the token in a Blazor with the help of accounts controller. So you can say here we have a accounts controller, and just use the registration features is here, and username, sign in manager, and utility manager, utility service. So registration is there like username, email, it's in the form of TTO, and user manager dot create async, and utility service dot generate token. So it's in the response we got a token as well as the expiration time, during the registration as well as the login. It's a login process. So that is the cool thing to do in a server project. Also, we can do with the easiest thing to just call this service in a client at the level of in a Blazor. So that is very simple also. So you know here we have a client service like Blazor bookshop.client, and here we have a complete project, authentication, authors, books, category, and log. So in here we have a two register pages like login, log out, and register. So we need to add links. Okay, so here we have a shared, and that is authentication links. So in authentication links authorized view, just authorized part is contained name and logout, and not authorized just contain two links, that is register and login. When we click to the login, that razor page will be called to the login and registration, and where we just call to that service, that is with the help of HTTP client. So get the token. Okay, so it's a very easiest thing to do in ASP.NET Core Blazor. I will provide you a complete code, in a membership. So there we have a complete code that is, you know, that is the MVC projects, that is the clean architecture projects, student management system, concert booking system. That all thing actually include in this membership program. So if you join this membership program, I will provide you a complete code which is related to the Blazor, which is related to the MVCs and all. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all of the videos which is related to ASP.NET Core, and thank you very much.